slime video. I'm Ariana.
I'm Sarialis. Let's get started.
I have white glue.
And I got clear glue. Let's pour them in. I'm gonna add blue glitter glue.
This is too much. Okay, we're done with that. I'm gonna pour glue.
Keep pouring in our glue.
Get it out.
Squeeze it harder. Come on.
Ma, help me. That's enough, Mom. That's enough. That's enough.
What other color glue you want? Oh, you're mixing it.
I want this one too.
You want gold glue?
Yeah, I think I'm gonna add gold glue too.
Me too.
Squeeze it
I'm just
harder.
gonna add a little bit
What
of
color
gold.
do you think?
Yeah.
I'm just gonna add a touch of gold glue.
Hard.
I put them in there.
Squeeze it harder, Ariana.
Ma, help.
That's how much I want of gold glue.
Ugh.
I don't want any other. Now I'm gonna add blue food coloring.
Now I'm. What's the purple? Now I'm gonna add purple.
You're gonna add purple coloring.
There.
What color is that? You're gonna have blue.
No. Green. I'm having green. I want some purple. Just a little bit of purple. Do you want purple?
I want.
More blue. Do you want blue?
Uh-huh.
Okay. Here, add the blue in.
Keep mixing.
And glitter. But first I have to mix this.
Now I'm gonna add some more shaving cream.
Do you want shaving cream, Ariana?
Here you go, sissy. Now I'm gonna mix my shaving cream into my glue. I think I'm gonna add some more glue. I'm gonna add some more. I need the food coloring. Darker. I want it dark.
I want the pink one.
There you go. Oh, pink!
That
I
is the
like
fat foam you're gonna add.
I'm
Can
gonna
you
have
open
to
it?
end slow.
Do you want me to help you?
blue fab foam.
My mom is opening mine. And mine.
Before I start.
You.
So I'm gonna. So cool.
Keep mixing, Ariana.
Now you
Kind
have
of hard opening
much
fab
yet?
foam.
Beads.
Yeah, in a minute.
I wanna add
Add beads.
some glitter.
Ugh.
I wanna add
The blue's gonna
Glitter.
blend into mine.
Ariana's gonna add some pink glitter. Or pink glitter.
It's like I'm making blue slime and then it has blue stuff in it, and she's
You're
making
gonna
it.
make everything blue.
Yes. It's kind of like my favorite color.
Mommy
but
said I'm
it's
making
really
too
not.
much blue. I need a little.
It's gonna be crunchy slime.
We hope so.
It's because look how bumpy it looks.
That looks pretty. Glitter, more glitter.
I'm gonna add some. I want this color and this.
And I want to use.
Activator.
I know how to.
I'm gonna pour it a little bit.
but your slime, is that all you want to add to it?
Mm-hmm. No, a little more.
You wanna add some beads first? Okay.
And a little more glitter. I just too much glitter.
Just dang it. See, I used all the pink.
There you go, Ariana.
Oh, it's okay.
Pour it all in.
I think I'm gonna add this
All of
color.
it. Now mix, Ariana. Mix all your slime.
So glittery.
Before, yeah.
So crunchy.
Look at the pretty color.
It looks like a mermaid tail.
Yeah.
And I'm making
I feel like I'm making mermaid slime.
and I'm gonna make prettier than hers.
Okay.
And I'm gonna have
What was that? Look how pretty, Mom. Mommy.
It is pretty.
Mommy.
Ariana, you have to mix it, honey.
Goodness.
And I'm gonna add a little bit of beef.
I only added a little bit of beets. And I think I'm going to add a touch of purple. Glitter. More purple.
Am I making slime?
Oh, I want to add some.
Start mixing.
Now I want to start mixing it.
My slime
Turning
is
into
getting so
slime.
pretty and pretty.
We're gonna do a slime video in 3, 2, 1. So this is how my slime turned out. It has lots of pretty beads and it's really pokey. And it's like a sea ocean instead of a mermaid.
And mine look like a sea turtle that looks like it's some beads.
It looks more like yours looks more like a mermaid bed or something.
Looks like a mermaid towel.
And it's really crunchy. Super duper crunchy. Subscribe to our channel. Smash that like button.